What's going on, everybody? Today we are driving the XJ. As you can see, and today has been an eventful day. You know, it's never easy on an old bike. I rode it from home and immediately it ran out of gas. Made it down this hill and then it started acting funny. I pulled over and the bike like ran differently when it was on its side stand versus on its center stand, and I was like, that's weird. Just gonna ride it anyways. Either way, I was like, oh, I'm gonna go to a gas station. I'll just pull off this side here, and it turned out that gas station was closed. So I was dicked. So then I had to call the girlfriend, come get me, buy a jerry can, $17 later, and $5 and like $8 worth of gas. We're here. Got some gas, brought it back. All right, well, let's just... You probably hear it revving to the moon and back, and that's because I don't have the idle set right. Why? Because it's an old, bad bike. So we're out here today to try and work out the kinks of the XJ. This is like the first official ride where I can just enjoy the bike and not have to worry too much about going somewhere, being somewhere. And it's a good bike. Let's pull over and check and see if we can lower this idle. It's a bit obnoxious. God, this thing vibrates. Oh, no. That's a bit better. Settle down. Riding an old bike like this comes with the territory of basically understanding that you're fully self-reliant for fixing little things. Like the idle's high, you better know how to fix it. Because if you have to take this to someone to fix every time you want the idle touched, you're in for a world of pain, or you better have a deep pocket. I mean, she rips. It's a pretty quick bike. Like, that's just second gear rolling on, and it feels pretty spicy. It's no XJ6, that's for sure. It doesn't really inspire confidence because the thing is so old. So, it doesn't exactly inspire confidence, and that's how I feel largely about most of these dated motorcycles, is that they're great for people that like and already know how to ride. But if you don't know how to ride, and you think you're going to learn on an old bike like this, you're fighting the odds, you know? You not only have to learn the fickle ways of how an old bike operates, but also how the intricacies of a motorcycle work. Like this, just simply leaning over in a corner, it's much more difficult to do in a carbureted bike when it's old and isn't as consistent on throttle because it's finicky with its fueling. But a fuel-injected bike is often way more smooth in those areas. It makes transitioning from off throttle to on throttle way more easy to learn and reliably. Not dump it in the gravel. It's geared very similarly to the XJ6 in that it first will get you almost to 100 and second will get you much past that. It's hard to tell how far I'm revving it because, well, I don't have a tachometer, but I can tell you from a previous ride I did on this bike that you hit the rev limiter. It hits pretty hard. I don't know whether it's valve float or it's an ignition cut or something, but it stops you. You get up to the 12... Oh, shit. Just saw the oil light come on, and that's not good. Too low. Smells a bit funny. Oh, we're gushing oil. Oh, something popped, man. Oh. Pissing on. Oh. Shit. Oh, good thing we saw that. You can see where we were riding. It's all over the tire. Shit. What happened? So I discovered the oil drain bolt backed out. The oil filter's still on there, and then I found the drain bolt in the parking lot I was in. Because if you see, oh yeah, this is where I stopped, and this is where I stopped again, and you can just see it goes all the way over there, and I found it over there by like a drainage hole. Fortunately, it didn't go anywhere, because otherwise I don't know what I'd do. I've got a liter of oil right here, because I went and picked this up recently, so this isn't quite enough. Obviously the bike takes like 2.2 something liters, but I'm gonna fill this up and push my way home as much as I can. But fortunately, I got the girlfriend coming with my set of tools, so I can put this drain bolt back in, put the oil in, and hopefully make it home, closer to home. That'd be nice. Support team is here. We got our tools, we got the bike. Let's put this oil drain bolt back in. So here the XJ sits. I'm gonna have to leave it here for the night till I can go get some more oil, fill it up, and take it home. But if this isn't the reality of working on a project bike, then I don't know what is. First of all, it ran out of gas because I wasn't quite aware of where it would run out of gas, and this thing doesn't have a gas gauge. And then got it driving, it's all good, and the one thing I didn't bolt check on the bike, it just emptied itself of all the oil. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my pain and suffering, because it wasn't fun for me. And as always, thanks for watching. Please smash the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, have a good day.